Alright guys, coming around to the Quinzees here. This is ours. Pretty sick. This is the other one over here. Even sicker. There's fire.
What is going on, everybody?
What's going on, guys? We're here.
In the Quinzee.
Not finished yet. We still got a foot to go down.
Yeah, we did all the work. Tyler's just been sitting outside by the fire doing nothing.
Yeah.
It's pretty shitty.
We got blue over there. That's a foot. That's our far wall, clearly. We gotta find some over there right quick.
And on the other side.
And right there. And hey, we're napping.
We're napping. We're laughing.
And yeah. Keep you guys updated when it's done. What up? This is MTV Cribs.
I'm Skylar.
I'm Michael.
I'm Tyler. Welcome to our crib. This is our bed. You know, we got premium spruce boughs. Always premium. The best in the forest.
Down there, we got our door coming to our heat sink. Approximately a 6-degree elevation right there. This is where we went for a pee.
Got a little candle ledge here.
Yeah, coming over to the candle ledge.
Nice.
Right there.
We got another ledge over here.
Yeah, glove mitts, whatever you want there. Here's Tyler's bedroom, my bedroom, and Skylar's bedroom. Yeah, we got the sunlight, the sky roof, 1 story.
1 story, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
Alright.
That's it for our house. And we'll see you later, MTV.
Alright. What's going on, guys?
Start of the night here.
We're about 2 minutes in. Sweating already.
Fucking beautiful. Toes are cold, but
Really?
they'll warm up. Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
So
You have the fucking feet warmers on you, man.
down there, we got our candle, the cold sink. Right here, we got all the snacks. Tyler's got his snacks down here.
He's munching already.
Got the sleep bags on top of us. Sleeping in a full snow gear. Yeah, we got the 5-star. And, yeah, keep you updated. Gonna go watch some movies now. Out here in the wilderness. You guys got anything to say?
Oh, what? There was a wolf. Oh, well, check up tomorrow. Or maybe in a few minutes.
See if we survive the night.
See how it goes. I feel like Tyler's gonna leave first because he's a little bitch. But, yeah.
Hey,
It's gonna go good.
Make it one of those games that Mr. Beast plays. First one to leave loses.
Alright guys, you heard it here first. First one to leave loses. Last one to leave, the circle or the Quinzee. $5 grand. Keep you guys updated. Guys, it's currently 12 o'clock. We're still rolling. Tyler's not so much. You can't see, but he's right there. Skylar is currently peeing in a bottle. I'm next. Super warm in here. Honestly, never been better. So, see you guys tomorrow morning. Unless some crazy happens tonight. Probably won't.